Before we start the video, 3 tips to influence the YouTube algorithm to suggest travel and tourism videos for your recommendation page. Start by watching travel and tourism videos until the end. Second, like, comment, and subscribe to travel and tourism videos and channels. Third, create a public playlist for travel and tourism videos. Hope this helps bring your recommendation page a lot of great travel and tourism videos. Now on to the video. Amidst the vibrant tapestry of performances and festivities at Buskerfest Toronto, a delightful gastronomic adventure awaits. As Woodbine Park transform into a bustling haven of creativity, they also turn into a food lover's paradise. The aromatic symphony of flavors mingles with the lively atmosphere, inviting visitors to embark on a culinary journey that is as diverse as it is delectable. From savory street food concoctions to artisanal treasures, the food and vendor scene at Buskerfest captures the essence of the city's culinary spirit. The tantalizing scent of freshly cooked food wafts through the air as you navigate through the bustling vendors of Buskerfest Toronto. The food vendors, often local artisans and culinary enthusiasts, take immense pride in curating a menu that spans cultures and palates. Whether you're a fan of savory treats or have a sweet tooth that's hard to satisfy, the variety of offerings ensures that every craving is met. For those seeking comfort in familiar flavors, classic street food staples are served with a creative twist. From mouthwatering gourmet burgers that combine juicy patties with artisanal toppings to perfectly fried fish and chips that transport you to coastal towns. These dishes evoke a sense of nostalgia while still offering a fresh take on tradition. If you're in the mood to embark on a culinary adventure, exotic choices from around the world beckon. Fragrant bowls of Thai curry entice with their complex blend of spices, while Mexican street corn smothered in tangy sauces and crumbled cheese promises a burst of flavor in every bite. The diverse array of options is a testament to the cultural mosaic that makes up the city's culinary scene. Beyond the gastronomic delights, Buskerfest Toronto's food and vendor stalls offer a curated selection of artisanal treasures. Local craftsmen and artists proudly display their creations, ranging from handcrafted jewelry and intricate ceramics to vibrant paintings that capture the city's spirit. It's not just a shopping experience, it's a chance to take home a piece of the festival's energy and creativity. The food and vendor area serves as a testament to the importance of supporting local businesses. With every bite of a delectable treat or the purchase of a unique piece of art, visitors contribute to the thriving ecosystem of artisans and entrepreneurs who enrich the cultural fabric of the city. Amidst the whirlwind of performances and the vibrant atmosphere, the food and vendor area provides a space to pause, reflect, and savor the moment. It's a place where families gather to indulge in treats, where friends discover one-of-a-kind treasures, and where strangers connect over shared culinary experiences. The lively chatter, the clinking of cutlery, and the joyful expressions on people's faces all create an ambiance that's as much a part of the festival's magic as the performances themselves. Buskerfest Toronto's food and vendor scene isn't just a sideshow, it's an integral part of the festival experience. The diverse culinary offerings and the vibrant marketplace of creativity enhance the festival's ethos of celebrating art in all its forms. As the sun sets and the lights illuminate Woodbine Park, the food stalls continue to serve up flavors that linger in the memory, reminding us that Buskerfest is not just a visual spectacle, but a multi-sensory journey of discovery and delight. Join us Friday for part 3 of this 3-part mini-series, Bark in the Park. You can now give a thanks donation to the channel if you wish to support us in creating more videos like this. Also, likes and comments are always free and appreciated. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.